New Zealand is the envy of the world and well regarded for the state of its environment. But our clean green reputation is at risk. How do we balance increasing demands on our natural environment and resources with the needs of our growing population and visitor numbers? It starts with a plan. Welcome to Nelson, Tasman. No mai haramai ki Whakatū I te Tau Ihu o te Waka a Māui. A region blessed with outstanding natural beauty, fertile soils, rich coastal waters, a booming industry, and curious minds. Like many areas around the country, more people are visiting and living in this region than ever before. Nelson Tasman's population is predicted to grow by around 10% in the next 25 years. And that means added pressure on housing, the environment, and natural resources. There will be difficult choices around managing transport, urban expansion, and exposure to natural hazards, all balanced alongside providing for the treaty relationship and catering for the needs of all, families, older people, youth, and new migrants. Challenges like these can be difficult, but also provides opportunities. We, as planners, have an important part to play. We need to articulate a clear vision of the future, consider all values and balance competing interests, and ensure that everyone's voice is heard during the process. The role of our profession in New Zealand has never been more important. Join us in Nelson